Hello, my name is Sadik. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your name to the member page. So I'm going to share my screen right now. Okay, so once you are here, you go straight to the top right corner. You see login. You click on login. Make sure you enter your username and password. So this is my username and my password is, click on login. Okay, so when you are logged in, you just come straight. This is the main page. You just come straight to members. You click on members. Sticking to okay. So when you open members, you see edit next to members. You click on edit. Once you open the members page here. You just come to the last line here where my cursor is. Then hit enter. Then you put your hash key. Then you look at your keyboard. If you can find the tills, these things, if you can find it, there are 4. If you can't, just come and copy here 4 of them and then paste it here. But if you can find it, on my keyboard is shift and then the symbol is right here. So I'll just go ahead and put it there 4 times and you are done. So this is how basically you can log in, or sorry, you can add your name to the member page. Okay. So when you are done, you just come and click. This is a minor edit. You may want to preview to see whether you are doing the right thing. Yeah, we did it. So you can see I didn't add a 10 because I added the hash. Now the 10 has displayed, and then the 4 tills tends to my name. So basically, this is a signature on Wikimedia projects. We have Wikipedia and other sub projects. So this is a signature for everyone. Once you put the 4 tills, you are good to go. So because I've already signed on, I don't want to sign on again. But if everything looks okay at your end, you just click on publish. Publish, and you are good to go. But because I don't want to publish, I just go and cancel it like this. Okay, so I hope this makes some sense, and if you have any challenge, please let me know. Okay, see you later. Bye.